Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato ducks so easy. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pocoyo starting with his eyes. Then draw his nose and his mouth. He is smiling so cute. I draw his face. Then draw his hat. Next to him, I draw his best friend, Pato duck. Start with Pato's eyes. Pato has two big eyes. Then draw Pato's mouth. I draw his face and his hat, then draw his body. Now, I use black marker to make the beautiful picture more visible. Let's color together. First, I used blue to paint Pocoyo's hat and his clothes. Red for his mouth. Next, I colored his skin. Then, I used green to paint Pato's hat. Orange. Yellow. Red. Finally, I draw and color heart shapes around it. I used red, pink, light brown, blue, dark green, and purple to paint heart shapes. Job. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.